are listening to Club Jitsu by Paul de Fol.